Hi. In this new video for the timeNough channel, we will show you how Atlassian JIRA can serve as an engagement platform for some startups members and market research participants. JIRA, or JIRA Software Cloud Premium, has been chosen as the central online platform for exchanges rather than a traditional ticket system. timeNough use it to optimize and facilitate communication between the market research team and people like you. It is important to note that a ticket can be used for more than just reporting an issue or a bug. It can be used to define actions, as well as identify events that occur during a particular partnership, including expectations, intentions, incentive payments, or meetings. So, let's begin with the email you should have received from a member of the timeNough team. It was sent from Atlassian JIRA with an invitation to join. "Your team is waiting for you to join them," is the title of this email. And there is a Join the Team blue button inside it. You just have to click on it. On the Atlassian JIRA sign-up page, you are proposed to fill in your full name. Let's say you are Billy Whitten, for instance. Now, we will set Billy's password. And finally click on the blue Sign Up button with a little CAPTCHA images challenge. Since this is the first time, JIRA will present you with a series of purple questions, but you can skip them one by one, since answering them is not mandatory. Here again, click on Skip. You will now be presented with what JIRA refers to as a Kanban board. But we will discuss this in more detail later. Now click on the letters B and W in the upper right corner, and then click on Manage Account. On the Profile and Visibility page, you can now upload and add a profile photo. Click on Upload a photo. And on the Upload blue button. Same process for the profile header image. Click on it, and then, click on Upload an image. In the About You section, you can modify your full name and your public name. Update your job title. In which department do you work? The name of your organization. You can close each of the notifications displayed on the left side of your screen. Finally, you can specify where you are located. However, all of these details are only for the JIRA workspace, and they can be left blank. Let's now close this page about your Atlassian account, and go back to the Kanban board. If you need to leave and close the window, you can return to the JIRA. You'll just have to type timeNough.atlassian.net. timeNough.atlassian.net. Here, the sign-in modal presents you with multiple options, but since you previously accepted an email invitation, you will need to enter your email address in order to authenticate. And your password. Now that you are back in the JIRA interface, you should be able to see the project number 19, which relates to your relationship and engagement with the timeNough team. The internal name of this project is Engaging About Potential Opportunities, which means that you are here because you can clearly be the facilitator or the link to a new opportunity. The left side of this Kanban board presents a series of links. Tickets play a key role in everything, so there are several ways to view them. They are here divided into 6 columns, based on their status: in preparation, in discussion, in validation, cancelled, available, and scheduled. Then tickets can be created by clicking the blue button in the top bar, Create. The default type of ticket or issue is Research Project. But this first field offers 6 other types of tickets: Screener Question, Projects Participant, Participant Answer, Participant Expectation, Participant Commitment, and Relationship Meeting. Let us take a look at the first ticket in the column Available. The research project number 1 at respondent.io. Respondent is an online market research platform, from which you may have come. In the ticket description, the timeNough team made sure to include the title of the project within the platform, the project details, and the link to join the project as a participant. The status of the ticket is indicated in green, but you may not have the right to update it. On the right are the attributes and metadata of the ticket, such as the assignee and the reporter. Components. Labels. Priority. The original estimate. When the research project started, and its due date. But what is most interesting is on the left, when you scroll down. This market research project implements a list of screener survey questions, a concept that you may be familiar with. Here, they are listed one by one and in order, as related tickets, but of the type, screener question. And normally, you are able to comment on this type of ticket, even if it wasn't created by you. Let's see the first screener question, Q1/6. Essentially, it is a JIRA ticket, the title is the question itself, and in the description, the team at timeNough has provided detailed information about all the possible answers they expect in the platform. It is the same kind of metadata and details on the right side. And now it is related to 3 other tickets on the left side. Including the research project the question belongs to. A ticket that represents Billy's answer to this question. And a ticket that represents the next question in the series. You can click on the Billy's answer ticket for instance. This time, the value of his answer is indicated in the ticket description. It will be the same for each participant, with the same connections between tickets. No matter where you originate from, each link in this JIRA should make sense. From this answer ticket, you can now jump to the Billy's ticket of type, Projects Participant. Since Billy is a participant, as well as a user of this JIRA. Here, the timeNough team has attached a screenshot of Billy's profile at respondent.io, and a public photo of him, found online. And if you scroll down, links to his LinkedIn and about his current company are available in the description. The ticket has 2 subtickets, or subtasks, of type, Relationship Outcome. They are both in preparation, but we will discuss it later. Now, you can see, as related tickets, what Billy is in right to expect from the timeNough team, as a participant. The promised incentive payment is one of those expectations, and a dedicated ticket is available for it. In the description, the timeNough team indicated the amount of the incentive, and the method in which payment will be made. While the participant may already be aware of all that, this ticket serves as a way to monitor the status of the operation, prior to execution. Whenever a role in the timeNough advisory board has been mentioned, the third expectation ticket is allocated to that topic, as a discussion about granted privileges. Upon returning to Billy's participant ticket, you should find another series of related tickets under the participant expectations. The participant commitments. In his answers, Billy promised to test the prototype of timeNough. Then to give feedback about his experience. He also proposed assistance about a decision-making with his company's leadership, and finally, he proposed to introduce the founders to an investor he knows. All 4 engagements have been logged into specific tickets in order to facilitate better follow-up. The introduction to an investor is a ticket with one subtask of type, relationship outcome. It's a relationship the team may have with this person. It's in preparation and estimated as a 2 weeks endeavor, with a start date in 2023. Logging the time he spent on this task is possible in the Work Log tab. And clicking on this Log Work blue link. The time tracking event description is not mandatory. Now Billy has updated his time tracking progression bar. Let's go back again to his participant main ticket and scroll down the left side to the ticket dedicated to his commitment about a decision making. From here again, you can go back to Billy's ticket, since the commitment was promised by him. Listed below are all his answers to the screener questions, which are also detailed in distinct tickets. And here, a final type of information, something he will participate to. Zoom meetings with the timeNough team. Let's click on one of them. This time, in the description, Billy can find a link to join the Zoom meeting. And thanks to related tickets, he can also jump from here to the information about a second meeting. Same type of ticket. As you go back to the Kanban board, you should now be able to recognize which type of ticket are displayed in each column, thanks to the little icon on the bottom left. Some of them are green, others are blue or purple. Here are tickets of type, participant expectation. Here, tickets of type, participant commitment. In discussion and in orange, tickets of type, participant answer. Here the only ticket of type, projects participant. As scheduled, tickets of type, relationship meeting. With some last commitment tickets. As the common point of all this, the tickets of type, research project, in purple. And to finish, also in orange, the tickets of type, screener question. On the left bar, you can click the issue link to view all these tickets in a list rather than a board of 6 columns. To finish this video, we will go back again to the ticket of Billy Whitten as a participant. It's in the Kanban board, column available, and with the blue icon. We've previously mentioned the 2 subtasks already created for him, 2 relationship outcomes. This time, by clicking on this button, we will create a new subtask as Billy himself. Let's say the outcome is a statement of work, a legally binding document that captures and defines all the work management aspects of a project, at the initiative of Billy's company. And here, we will create a draft ticket. Now let's open the newly created ticket. On the right side, you should see in red, a lock icon, and clicking on it will open a privacy tooltip about the visibility of the ticket. By default, only Billy and the timeNough team can view it. And the status of the ticket is in preparation. Billy is not allowed to update it as well. On the other hand, defining the ticket's components. The ticket's labels. The ticket's priority level. Billy's working time estimation of 3 weeks and 4 days, for instance. And here, a start date. Defining all of this is possible for him, and it adds more exploitable metadata to this statement of work draft document. Now by clicking on the Work Log tab and the Log Work blue link, Billy can indicate some time tracking data. Then, on clicking the description of the ticket, an editor should appear, allowing him to add any useful information or indication about the document editing process. He can also format his text, add parts in bold, parts underlined, and parts in color. Just below the ticket or subtask title, there is an Attach button. This will allow Billy to simply attach the statement of work file and let the timeNough team discover it and read it iteration after iteration, version after version. The document's preview is available after the file has been uploaded. Rather than exchanging files via Once Billy returns to the Kanban board, he can view his recent subtask in the Tickets in Preparation column. Ticket creation and subtask creation are also things that the timeNough team can do for Billy or his company. The exchange of content and files is bidirectional. A new document proposal for a partnership or deal negotiation will be added and uploaded as a subticket of Billy's participant main ticket, which serves as the central point. Reloading the current page, for instance, should reveal a new subtask in his participant ticket. Billy's Company Master SaaS Service Agreement, created by the timeNough team. Same kind of relationship outcome. Billy can also update the original estimate field value, the priority field, the components field, and change the start date. But the most interesting thing about this ticket is the description, which refers to a third-party service called Please Sign, with a link to follow. So let's click on this link. Billy is now on a new interface from the provider Please Sign, and he is invited to review this service agreement document online before signing it electronically. So, click to proceed. At this point, Billy and the timeNough team are not starting the document work and agreement with a draft, but they're nearing the end of this process and have something close to a final version. The file was uploaded on this third-party service platform, not in JIRA, and now Billy needs to sign it. In this example, things are a little more concrete. A deal is about to be closed. And that's it. The document has been signed, and the timeNough team will be notified. Instead of manipulating this document within JIRA, the team has used JIRA and this subtask to jump to another platform and review the document. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video about Atlassian JIRA and how timeNough is proposing to use it as an engagement platform. Interested participants can contact the team through the contact forms available at timeNough.com. If, of course, they believe they are able to provide opportunities for the startup. For more videos of this type, please subscribe to the timeNough channel.